Hi everyone. So welcome to week 11. So I'm back to the video. So this is the last week of our project 3. So you did a great job in last week's plan. I love that. So I trust this week you will have a great webinar. I hope you will enjoy this group work. So I'm going to show you the week 11 page. So this week we have 4 tasks in total. The first one, of course, is to watch this video, and the second one is for your group to finish the webinar and recording this week as you plan. So moderators need to use Google Hangout to host your group's webinar, and please use the screen automatic to do the screencast recording. Your webinar video should be 10 to 15 minutes because of the limits of the screencast automatic tool. So after finishing the recording, please share the link or the file to your video in the Slack webinar video channel, and then also in the assignment in the Canvas. Like I mentioned last week, only moderators need to share the link of the video, but all of the group members and the moderators need to give peer feedback to other groups in the Slack channel. And the last thing this week is more details for the final. So in the final, you will need to build your own portfolio by designing a web. And you need to put all of the inputs in this course into this web. And the content should include this. So you can check this link. You will have a Google Doc. So all of the details will be listed here. And in the future, I will keep updating these docs. So now it's all the requirements for the final. And then I think you can just start to make it the web. So that's all for this week. I'm really looking forward to your webinar. Have a great week and see you next month. See you next Tuesday. Thank you so much.